Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can use Evernote and download it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to evernote.com/products, and then you're going to see Get Evernote, and you're going to download Evernote. But as you can see, it's available for Mac and Windows, and you can also download it for mobile and tablet at the Apple App Store, Google Play, and Windows Store. So it's up to you where you want to download it. So I'm going to click on Download Evernote. And as you see, it's downloading down here, and I'm downloading it to my computer today as opposed to it just being a web app. And the neat thing about Evernote, like I said, is that it can be on your computer or your mobile device. And the goal of it is to sync up all of your items on the cloud, and then you can download it on either iOS or Android. So I have it on my iPhone. So then I'm going to click this. After it's downloaded, it's going to open up. And then I am going to want to allow this app to make changes to my device, so I click yes. And then it's going to prepare to install the Evernote onto your computer. And then once it's done installing, you'll see the little elephant icon, and you click on that and on the taskbar or either on your desktop. And you can use your email or username to sign in or sign in with Google as you were taught to previously do. And that is how you ever download.